Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, and the first you have to go right here for the clock application, and then we can turn on one of them, for example this one. And if you want to adjust, you have to click here. At the first we can change the hour and the minutes. We can also set the repeat, maybe only for the Monday. Of course, we can also set the alarm report. We can turn on to skip the next alarm after we are going to turn on this one. We can change the ringtone. And we can activate or deactivate vibration, and of course we can add the label. Click OK, tap on the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see, here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.